Welcome back. I'm David Sugarman, your English teacher, and today we're going to be doing some quick grammar drills. These are the best practices for developing your English. This is an intermediate lesson, and today's topic is the present perfect continuous. Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm David Sugarman, and today we're diving into one of my favorite tenses, the present perfect continuous. And we use it to talk about something that started in the past and is still happening now. It's perfect for showing progress, effort, and consistency, things we all relate to. We use present perfect continuous to describe an action that began in the past and continues into the present. This is the structure: have, has, plus been, plus the verb ing. Here's an example. I have been studying for my exams. That means that the person is still studying, but from the past up until now. And it emphasizes duration and ongoing effort. We can use it in the negative to show something that hasn't been happening recently. An example: they haven't been working on the project lately. Lately is a key word. If you say the word lately, use the present perfect continuous. This shows absence or interruption in a continuous action. When to use this? We use present perfect continuous when you talk about activities that started in the past and are still happening. Actions that recently stopped but have present results. Repeated or temporary actions. Examples: she's tired because she's been running. I've been waiting for you since 3 p.m. Let's go to the next slide. The structure and breakdown. We have I, you, we, and they with have, with been, and then the verb ing. And the example is, I have been studying all day, which means again that I'm not done studying. He, she, and it, we use has, been, verb ing, and the example is, she has been working hard all day. Now, here are some more examples. I've been learning English for 3 years. She's been teaching since 2015. We've been waiting for the results. It's been raining all day. So the focus is continuing or recent actions. So at this point, we're going to do some practice before the drill. And what I want you to do is take down that pen or pencil and get your notebook out and write down your answers as we go. And then what you can do is, if you want, you can stop the video, write down your answers, and continue and check your answers. I'll give you another slide soon to show you the answers, okay? Let's go. Number 1, I work here for 5 years. Person is still working. 2, she not sleep well lately. Lately, key word for present perfect continuous. 3, they study English all morning, meaning that all morning something is still happening. 4, we wait for the bus since 8. Since is a key word to show that something is still going on from the morning until now. And 5, he exercised a lot recently. Recently is another key word for present perfect continuous. Write down your answers and let's go and see the answers. So, complete the sentences. We have done it. Number 1, I have been working here for 5 years. Number 2, she hasn't been sleeping well lately. 3, they have been studying English all morning up until this point. Number 4, we have been waiting for the bus since 8. Number 5, he has been exercising a lot recently. Great job. So at this point, you can subscribe to the channel. If you haven't yet, give me a like. Pass this to a friend, of course, and leave a comment. Now, what we're going to do now is combine the sentences using the present perfect continuous. We'll do it together. And it's a good activity to, again, maybe write these down in a notebook and try this yourself. But let's do this in the best way we can. So it says here, number 1, he is working at the company. He started in 2015. So we have to take 2015 and build present perfect continuous. So the answer is, what do you think? I'll give you the answer. I have the answers here just so that it goes a little bit more smoothly. You want to say he has been working at the company since 2015. Okay? So you use the word since with 2015, and you want to say he has been working since 2015. Now, let's look at number 2. They are playing football every weekend, which is actually incorrect to say. You want to say they play football every weekend, and they began last summer. So you want to say they have been playing football every weekend since last summer. Number 3, I'm learning to cook, and I started when I was a teenager. Use the word since here. And you probably want to say, since I was a teenager, I have been learning to cook. 4, we are traveling together. We have been doing this for 5 years. Wow, that's a long time to travel. So we want to say, we have been traveling together for 5 years. So notice we have the word for and we have the word since to build this sentence a lot. It's very important. And to use the correct tense, the present perfect continuous. 5, she is practicing the piano. She has been playing since she was a child. So the answer is, she has been practicing the piano since she was a child. Okay? Again, the word since is very important. Let's go to the next slide and break it down together and practice. So, number 6, they are saving money for a new house, and they started last year. So the answer is, they have been saving money for a new house since last year. 7, I'm reading that book. I started it last month. I have been reading that book since last month. 8, he is training for the marathon. He began several months ago. Nice. That's a really good goal too. If you really want to, run and stuff like that, start now. So the answer is, he has been training for the marathon for several months. Number 9, she is working on her novel. She has been doing this for 2 years. We want to say she has been working on her novel for 2 years. It means she's still working on it. And 10, we are waiting for the bus. We have been waiting for over half an hour. First of all, that's horrible. So the answer is, we have been waiting for the bus for over half an hour. Yep, just a combination of adding we have been waiting for the bus. Very, very nice. And now you just need to complete the sentences, and I'll give you the answers in a second. Well, let's just read through it and just say the answers because it's not that hard to do. But again, we're working on just structuring it. And again, we see the word for a lot and the word since, and we're in the present perfect continuous. We got 11. He plays soccer with his friends. Well, definitely is he has been playing soccer with his friends. 12, you study English since last year. You're going to say, you have been studying English since last year. Wow, you must be getting great. 13, what you read for the last hour. It's a good question to ask somebody. What have you been reading for the last hour? I'm very interested to know. 14, they live in the city for 5 years. You want to say they have been living in the city for 5 years. 15, we wait for the bus for 30 minutes and then we're still waiting. We're so exhausted. We have been waiting for the bus for 30 minutes. Come on already. And 16, she cooked dinner for the whole family for the last hour. She has been cooking dinner for the whole family for the last hour. She must be tired. We got to give her a gift or something like that. Let's give her a bottle of wine. 17, I exercised at the gym since morning. Ooh. You want to say, I have been exercising at the gym since the morning. 18, what he watched on TV for the last hour. What has he been watching on TV for the last hour? Maybe Seinfeld, maybe Friends, maybe a good TV show. I don't know. But he's been watching TV for the last hour. 19, they travel around Europe for a month. They have been traveling around Europe for a month. Wow. That's a long time. I want to go travel in Europe. I want to go see different countries. 20, we planned this event for weeks. We can say we have been planning this event for weeks and it's going to be so special and it's worth all the effort and everything that we've put into it. And I know it. Is there any event that you're planning that you want to share with me in the comments? I would love to know. Any events, please share with me. Share things that you have been doing for a while. Let's try that. Well, I'll show you how it works. So I'll tell you what I've been doing for a while. I've been working on all these videos and building up my website. I've been working with really wonderful students that are getting better. I've been trying to be a better father, a better husband. I've been exercising a lot lately too, going to the gym, working out. You see how that sounds very natural? So practice that yourself. Now, if you would like, please subscribe to the channel. I will love that and see you in the next video, of course. Here are the answers to what we did. You can read these out loud. The more you're going to do, the better you're going to get. And here's the next slide that you can look at as well. You can look at it, practice it, read it out loud. You're just going to get better. Keep going. And for more information, guys, you can just visit and follow all of my social media accounts. See you at davidenglish.info, hopefully. And again, welcome to David English Academy. See you in the next video.
Hi, how are you today? If you would like to elevate your English level where people actually understand you, where you're not making mistakes, where you're not confused, where you have control of your English, then you're in the right place. My name is David Sugarman. I've been teaching business English for over 12 years and I can really help you. Currently right now, I'm teaching in big companies like Diplomat Israel, like IKEA and others. If you would like to hear more information, please reach out to me over here. Bye for now.